Putin never imagined this day would come. The heart of Moscow, once thought untouchable, is now burning after a Ukrainian drone strike. The city that symbolized Russia's power has been turned into a fire zone, shocking not only Putin but the entire world. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Future Force Skies and Skills. Please subscribe and like my videos, because today we are bringing you an extraordinary review of one of the most shocking events in recent history. The story is breaking across headlines worldwide. Ukraine has launched a drone attack that turned Moscow into a fire zone, leaving President Vladimir Putin and Russia in shock. In this video, we will dive deep into this situation in the form of a complete review, analyzing it as if we were evaluating an advanced machine from its exterior look to its interior details, performance on the battlefield, safety features, unique selling points, pricing in terms of cost, consequences, and finally our conclusion. This is not just an explanation, but a complete breakdown of why this event has stunned the world and what it means for the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. When we first talk about the exterior, the image that comes to mind is the dramatic view of Moscow under attack. The city, often presented as one of the strongest and most secure capitals in the world, was suddenly lit up with flames and smoke after Ukrainian drones pierced through its defenses. From the outside, the scene was shocking: skyscrapers glowing with the reflection of fire, smoke columns rising high into the night sky, and ordinary streets transformed into battlegrounds. The exterior perspective shows us how powerful visual symbols of war can be. Moscow, which Russia has always presented as untouchable, suddenly looked vulnerable. The exterior scene of fire and chaos sent a strong message not only to Russia but to the entire world, that Ukraine is capable of striking at the very heart of Russian power. The exterior impression is almost cinematic, but it is real and its impact is undeniable. When we move inside into the interior details, we begin to see the deeper layers of this attack. This paragraph needs to be large because the interior of this event reveals the true depth of the situation. Inside the planning, Ukraine has been building its drone program with both domestic innovation and Western support. These drones are not random creations, but carefully designed systems capable of flying long distances, evading radar, and hitting strategic targets with precision. The interior story also includes the vulnerabilities inside Russia itself. Despite Moscow being heavily protected with layers of air defense, from Pantsir systems to S-400 batteries, Ukrainian drones managed to penetrate and cause damage. This raises huge questions about the real capability of Russia's defense interior. The psychological interior is also critical. Inside the minds of Russian citizens, the sense of safety in their own capital has been shaken. For years, Moscow residents lived with the belief that the war in Ukraine was far away, that destruction and fire existed only across the border. But now, the interior of their daily lives has been disrupted by explosions and fires just outside their windows. Another layer of the interior is political. Inside the Kremlin, Putin faces growing pressure. This attack does not only burn buildings, it burns confidence. It challenges the narrative of Russian strength and reveals cracks in the system that were hidden before. When you go inside the story, you realize this event is not just a strike. It is a transformation of the war's geography and psychology. Performance is another dimension that must be evaluated. Ukraine's drones performed beyond expectations. They traveled deep into enemy territory, avoided sophisticated defense systems, and delivered their payloads effectively. In terms of performance, this operation demonstrates Ukraine's growing technological strength. The drones performed with accuracy and resilience, proving that even a capital like Moscow is within their reach. On the other side, Russia's performance was deeply questioned. Air defense systems that were supposed to intercept and destroy threats in the sky failed to stop all drones. While Russian media tried to downplay the damage, the performance gap was visible. Performance is not only about military systems, it is also about political and media responses. Ukraine's performance in shaping global perception was successful. Images of burning Moscow went viral and captured international attention. Russia's performance in controlling the narrative, however, weakened. The world saw the results, and no amount of official statements could hide the truth. Safety features are always important in any review, and in this case, we have to consider them from both sides. Ukraine's drones are becoming more advanced, with improved safety features such as stealth design, low radar signature, and flexible flight patterns that help them bypass defenses. These safety features make them harder to detect and give Ukraine a tactical advantage. For Russia, the safety features of its own systems like anti-aircraft guns and missile batteries were supposed to protect the capital. But the attack exposed flaws. Safety features failed to fully shield Moscow's population from the shock of explosions and fires. On a human level, safety features also refer to civilian protection. Many Moscow residents were evacuated from buildings after strikes caused fires. Fire brigades rushed to prevent casualties. Yet, the sense of safety has been broken, and restoring it will be difficult. Unique selling points of this event are very clear. First, this is one of the boldest strikes Ukraine has launched, hitting directly at Moscow. Second, it shows the unique power of drones in modern warfare, relatively inexpensive machines that can cause disproportionate damage to high-value targets. Third, the symbolic value is a unique selling point. Moscow, the heart of Russia, being hit, sends a message across the globe. It says that Ukraine is not powerless, that Ukraine can challenge Russia, even in its strongest zone. Another unique point is the timing, as international debates about supporting Ukraine continue. This strike highlights why continued support is crucial. The attack shows that investment in Ukraine's defense pays off in results that shock Russia and inspire global attention. Now, when we discuss price, it is not just about financial cost, but the overall price of this incident. For Ukraine, the monetary price of building and deploying drones is far lower than the billions Russia spends on its defense systems. The cost-effectiveness is striking, inexpensive drones managing to bypass multi-million-dollar Russian defenses. The political price for Russia is far greater. Putin must now deal with the image of a vulnerable Moscow. The psychological price for ordinary Russian citizens is also heavy. The fear that their homes, streets, and city centers are no longer safe. For Ukraine, the price includes the risks of escalation, as Russia may respond with more missile strikes. But in terms of value, Ukraine's drones delivered far more than they cost. In conclusion, this event is not just another strike, but a landmark moment in the war. By reviewing it through exterior views of burning Moscow, interior layers of planning and vulnerability, performance of drones versus defenses, safety features tested on both sides, unique selling points that make this attack historically significant, and the price in both financial and psychological terms, we see a complete picture. The conclusion is clear. Ukraine has demonstrated the future of warfare. Drones have changed the game, and Moscow's fire zone is proof. Putin is shocked, Russia is shaken, and the world is watching closely. This is a turning point that will be remembered not just as an attack, but as a signal that the balance of power can shift in unexpected and dramatic ways. This concludes our in-depth review of the shocking Ukraine drone strike on Moscow. Thank you for staying with us through this detailed breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more updates, because the story of this war is still unfolding and every moment brings new surprises.